Hello dear students, today we will learn about place value. What is place value? Place value of a digit in a number is determined by the position of that digit in the number. Let us take an example. So this is a number. So we will start from writing the number using place value chart. So we will first of all we will write ones, tens, 100, 1000 and then 10,000. Now we will put the digits below that according to their places. 2, 5, 0, 5, 7. So we will read this number as 75,052. Now we will see the expanded notation of the number. Here 75,052 is a 5-digit number. Now we will see how to write the place value of each digit in a number. Let us start from ones place. So here in the ones place the digit is 2. So here its place value is 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Now see the digit 5. It is in the tens place. So its value is 5 multiplied by 10 is equals to 50. Now see the next digit. It is in the 100 place. Though it is 0, still also we have to multiply it by 100 to get the place value of that digit. So 0 multiplied by 100 is equals to 0. When we multiply any number by 0, we will get 0. Now we will see the next digit, which is in the 1000 place, and that is 5. So to get the place value of digit 5, we will multiply it by 1000. So 5 multiplied by 1000 is equals to 5000. So the place value of digit 5 is 5000. Now we will see the last digit. It is in the 10,000 place. So to get the place value of 7, we will multiply it by 10,000. So 7 multiplied by 10,000 is equals to 70,000. See, 75,052 is equals to 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 2. This is the expanded notation of 75,052. So now you have clear idea about expanded notation and place value of 5-digit number. So these are the examples. You can do easily practice through this to get the more clear idea about expanded notation and its place value.